YouTube, what's up? And today I'm going to be showing you guys a Typinator for the Mac. This is a really awesome application. You may have heard of Text Expander, which I have actually never used for the Mac, but I found Typinator a few years back, and I've absolutely loved it since I found it. It makes your Mac so much easier, and especially if you're switching from a PC, it makes your life so much easier. So let me just go on and get started and show you this application. I have Pages open here, and it probably doesn't look much like a Pages window, but it is Pages. And basically, it's a shortener. And if you know from using Microsoft Word and things like that, there's no way to automatically capitalize I on the Mac unless you're using Typinator, which I'm going to pause the expansions just for a minute to show you what it would be like if you didn't have Typinator running. So I could say, hello, I am happy to be making videos. I just can't stop. So say that sentence there. So I'm going to go down one, and I'm going to unpause the expansion. So I'm just going to resume it here, and I'm going to and hello, I am happy to be making videos. And so you saw it automatically capitalize the I, and then I just can't stop, and automatically capitalize can't there, or put an apostrophe in can't, which is really useful. So that way you don't have to go back and fix things and do like that. So and it works with other things too. So I can say Jacob Holt, so JH, and it's really simple. And especially if you do Apple stuff, it can automatically do like iTunes, iMac, iPod, iPad, iPhone. It automatically capitalizes the correct letters for you to make it much simpler. And then, like, say when I'm tagging my videos, I like to do a program94.com or a program94 tag. There's that. So I don't have to constantly be typing these things. And it makes it so much simpler for me to be doing this. And then even, say, typing in YouTube, I can cheat and it'll automatically capitalize the Y and the T there. Or, let's see, I'm trying to think of another one I have here. Like won't per se. I'm just trying to give you guys examples of how this works. And it's really simple. So let me show you how easy it is to actually make an expansion. So let's see here. What do I want to do? And as you can see, I have common misspellings in here that I've done. So answer, I misspell answer a lot for some reason. But you can do tons. And one that I find really neat and useful that I want to show you real quick that really can give you an idea how powerful this is, if I can find it, is a date and time. So if I do DT, it automatically puts in the date. That is today's date, and every day it'll automatically update DT to work. So that's really neat. Say you put in the date a lot, and that might be worth its weight just by itself. So let me show you how easy it would be to say make one. So I'm going to make a new expansion, and let's say every time I type in APL, I want it to, and I'm going to put in the whole word. So that means I have to put in APL and then put a space. I want it to put in Apple, let's say, for example. And I can say the case doesn't matter, however I want to. You can make this plain text, you can format the text, you can put even a picture in here if you'd like. And so now if I put in APL, hit a space, and it automatically does that. I can turn off whole word. Now if I just put in APL, it'll automatically put it in. And it's just small things like that that really make this application nice. You can choose where you want the cursor to go whenever you're done with the expansion, so you can get really technical with this if you'd like. You can obviously get technical with the date here, and it's just, you get a lot of functionality here. And with the formatting here that I want to show you here real quick is, say you like to put your name at the end of all the emails you do and not have a signature or something like that. Say you don't like the signatures for some example, like I don't like it sometimes. I can put in WBR and automatically puts in my name, and it formats it everything automatically, and it works that way in emails. I can put in SIG, do the same thing, in case I don't want somebody to know my full name. And it just works really nice. I really love this application. Say I want to tell somebody I have osteogenesis imperfecta, I can put in OI. I have to capitalize the O and I forget. And there we go. And I can just keep going with this forever. It also has common corrections put in for your language. So say you have it's automatically in the application when you download it, and it has common misspellings here. So instead of CNA, it'll put in can. And I didn't have to put any of these in. and it's just really nice. I love this application, and it's not that awful expensive. Let's talk about the app itself. with the expense. So here it is. It's from Ergonis Software. It is about $15 US, I believe, and which is kind of expensive. And they also have a family plan for, like, I believe it's probably going to be $40 US, unless you can catch them with a sale. You can actually get it cheaper. But it's really nice to use. I love Typinator. It's such a great application. Let me show you the settings real quick while I've got it on my mind. But the preferences are really simple, so you can choose preferences to say you want this to pop up automatically. You can create a new clip, a new item from your clipboard or section. You can do all kinds of different things, and they update it fairly frequently with small bug fixes that you'd never notice, but they are there in case you do notice them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I hope you go and check this app out. The link will be in the description, and may I say that it drives me nuts to not use a Mac without this application. So, or to use a Mac without this application. Got backwards there. But anyway, don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.